Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 7.2 first and second problem. First, see the first problem. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. The join of -1, 7 and 4, 3. First, I'm going to mark the point here -1, 7. The 2 points. Let the given points be -1, 7 and 4, -3. That point, let point P, let point P of x, y, that point only we are going to find. Let point P x, y divides the line joining points point -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio what ratio kana 2:3. 2:3, that is m1:m2. Clear? The points, write the points -1, 7 and 4, -3 and in the ratio 2:3. That point only we are going to find. That P of x, 1, y we are going to find. Clear, children? The point P of x, y divides the line joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay. So what is section formula? Section first write the formula kana. Okay. P of x, y, that dividing point only we are going to find. So right, P of x, y is equal to m1 plus, leave some space and write m2, and m1 plus m2, m1 leave some space plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Clear, children? So here what you have to write? x2, x1. It is easy to remember, no? y2, y1. That's it. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Clear? So which one is the x1? This is x1. x1 y1. x2 y2. This is m1 m2. In the ratio m1:m2. Okay. So now I'm going to substitute the point P of x, y is equal to first m1 2 into, leave some space, plus 3 into divided by 2 plus 3, 2 into, leave some space, plus 3 into divided by 2 plus 3. Now write x2 value, x1 value. x2 is 4 and x1 is -1. Since we have negative sign, draw the bracket. Okay. Next y2, next y1. Now multiply it first. 2 4s are 8. Plus into minus, -3 divided by 5, -6 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 5. Clear? And then 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5. Next, -6 plus 21 is 15. Bigger number sign is positive, so plus 15 by 5. If you can cancel, you can cancel it. Okay, then the point is 1 comma 3. The point, the dividing point P of x comma y is 1 comma 3. So the point 1 comma 3 divides the line joining points minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Clear all of you? So this is section formula. Clear all of you children? Thank you. Next, second problem. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So first write the point 4 comma minus 1, that I am going to represent as A, and then here I am going to represent B, that is minus 2 comma minus 3. This is a line segment. Okay, so what we have to find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3. So trisection, this you are going to divide into 3 parts. So one is P and another one is Q. One is P and another one is Q. Okay, since this is trisection, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Everything is equal. Trisection one, it is divided equally. So we can tell that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Clear children? Is there any doubt in this? Trisection, you are going to divide equally. Okay, so this I am going to take it as 1, and this is 1 and this is 1. Trisection, since it is trisection, everything is equal. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That I am going to take it as 1. So first A 4 comma minus 1 and B minus 2 comma 3. First I am going to find the point P by using session formula. Clear children? Is there any doubt? First what I am going to find is, first I am going to find the point P. First I am going to find the point P. So if this is 1, AP is 1, what about PB? What about PB kana? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the 2 points that 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3 divides in the ratio 1 is to 2. Divide in the ratio 1 is to 2. And the next one I am going to find Q point. Q. This is A and this is B and this is Q. QB is 1, I know that one. So what about AQ? That is 2. In the ratio 2 is to 1. So we have 2 points and the ratio. Here also 2 points and ratio. We can apply the session formula to find the point P and Q. Clear all of you children? Is there any doubt? No. So first write the formula. P of x comma y is equal to, how I said to write, m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Then write x2 x1 y2 y1. Clear? So next what we have to write? Point 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3, 1:2. x1 y1 x2 y2, m1 m2. Okay. Now apply in the formula. That point P of x comma y is equal to m1 1 into x2 is minus 2 plus 2 into x1 is 4, m1 plus 2 comma 1 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into y1, that is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Clear all of you children? Next multiply it. Minus 2 plus 4 2s are 8 divided by 3 comma minus 3 minus 2 1s are 2 divided by 3. And then if you subtract, what you will get? 3 by 6 by 3 and then minus 5 by 3. Clear children? Is there any doubt? So this one we can cancel. 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So the point P is 2 comma minus 5. The point P is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Okay. Similarly, we can find for this one also. So first write the point 4 comma minus 1, then minus 2 comma minus 3. The ratio is 2:1. The ratio is 2:1. x1 y1 x2 y2, m1 is to m2. Clear children? So now write the formula. I already written. Okay, so I'm not going to write again, just I'm going to apply in the formula. Okay. Q, the point Q only we are going to find. So Q of x comma y is equal to m1 is 2, 2 into x2 is minus 2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1, comma, next 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, and then now multiply. Minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3, minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 divided by 3 minus 7 by 3. So the point Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Are you all clear children? Is there any doubt? So find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So 4 comma minus 1, that one point I represented as A and B minus 2 comma minus 3. Then since it is dividing trisection, the line segment dividing trisection, okay, so AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. This I am going to take it as 1 is to 1 is to 1. Okay, and then first I am going to find the point P, that one point A is 4 comma minus 1 and another point B is minus 2 comma minus 3, and we can find the point first point P easily. 1 is to 2 ratio. Okay, and then Q, find Q. 1A is 4 comma minus 1 and B is minus 2 comma minus 3. So 2 is to 1. 2 in the ratio 2 is to 1. Clear all of you children? So the required points are P of 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and Q of 0 comma minus 7 by 3, which trisect the given line. Clear children? Thank you.